So we'll be talking about the designer's blueprint in this series, how we can turn dreams to reality. You're welcome, guys, to Transforming Spaces, the art and science of interior design. I'm Olaomi, and I'll be guiding you into creating a stunning and functional space that reflects your style. Now, every beautiful space begins with a vision. Turning that vision into reality requires more than just creativity. It demands careful planning, attention to detail, and a touch of project management magic. In today's episode, we're going to be exploring how designers bring dreams to life, from the spark of inspiration to the final reveal. So let's start with a vision. A clear concept is the foundation of every successful project. Ask yourself, what emotions do I want this space to evoke? What is the purpose? Whether it's a cozy family room or a sleek office, your answer will guide your decision. Start with the vision. A clear concept is the foundation of every successful project. Ask yourself, what emotions do I want the space to evoke? What is the purpose? Whether it's a cozy family room or a sleek office, your answers will guide every decision. Good decision is not just about the aesthetics, it's about solving problems. For instance, a dining room transformation is not just about making it look elegant, okay? It's about creating flow and functionality. Now, here is a tip for functionality. Ask, how will the space be used every day? How will the dining space be used every day? Now, here is where project management comes in. It ensures that your vision doesn't get in the chaos of the budget, the timelines, and the contractor schedules. Think of it like the glue that binds all the creative process together. For our projects where we had to turn a dormant space into an active office hub, we had to create a clear vision and a solid plan, and then that helped us to stay in line with the timeline, with the budget, and also to foresee potential roadblocks that was going to affect the project. So what is the blueprint for success? It's simple. Start with a clear vision, prioritize functionality, and then keep everything on track with good project management. Are you ready to transform your space? Comment below, with the challenges that you have in your space, and I could probably just feature your comment in my next episode. And you want to subscribe, like this, and of course hit the bell icon so that you don't miss when I post the next series. In the next series, I'm going to be talking about how you can discover your design style, so you don't want to miss that. And I hope to see you then. Bye, guys.